Hello all. I want to introduce you to a web conferencing tool. And a web conferencing tool is like when you see someone in a video, like a video call. And it is making our class like a live class because I can see you, you can see me, of course, if you have a camera. And if you have a microphone instead, I'm not camera, I can hear you, and therefore we want to see if we can utilize this tool for the rest of the semester. And hopefully our goal is to make it similar to a face-to-face class. When you log into Blackboard, you will see here is written big blue button, a web conferencing tool. And when you click on that web conferencing tool, a screen pops up, and at the beginning it might tell you click here to get the flash up and running, and therefore you end up, hopefully you will be able to get to a screen like this, and you see a picture of a microphone and a picture of a speaker here. I click on microphone to see what it is. Is my microphone working? And apparently, okay, I click.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Okay, I see that it started. It's more like a chat room that we can see each other. And for me to show myself my video that you can see me, if you have, I am going to go in here. Here I see a button says share your webcam. If I click there, and I see a screen pops up, Adobe Flash Player setting. I click allow, and it is opening, and my picture just appeared here, and at the bottom here I click start sharing. Most likely if I click this and you are on the in book big blue button, you will be able to see me on your screen. I click start sharing, and then suddenly my picture appears in the bottom, at the bottom. And if you get into this screen, if you manage to get to this screen, even if you don't have a webcam, hopefully you will be able to see this chat site. Do you see here is written chat? And then when you come to this site, you click on this in this box. For the first time, I want to see that you are familiar and you know how to use this chat box. That way we can communicate at least through this chat box. I type hi, and then I click on the send button, and the send button will appear, and it shows that I said hi, which is here. For now, it is. And also here it is, there is another thing in here. It says stop sharing my microphone. I am sharing I want in fact my microphone to be shared. That way, you can hear me. And then I can do other things in here. I see that, think about this area as the blackboard or whiteboard we have in the classroom where we lecture, where I lecture. Therefore, I am going to bring a new white screen here. And if I click on this next slide here, a very nice box comes in here. This is exactly like a whiteboard where I write in the classroom. If I want to write anything here, there is a pencil on the right side. I click on that, and I come here and I type hi, although my handwriting on this one, okay, and here it is. I said hi, for example. And then I can even, if I want to type something, I click on this T for text and put a nice text box here. And I can type, hi, John. And as you see, I can do a lot of other fancy things, and I can go ahead and delete this one, which is here. And I click delete here, and that deletes whatever I have typed. And when you log into big blue button, when you click and you log in, your name appears under my name here. My name is Sayed Merkani, and you see that the webcam, your name will appear at the bottom. For now, I want to make sure that you know how to get to this site, and if by any chance you miss the first session, which is tomorrow, that would be all right, because the first session is not intended necessarily to teach Excel, because for the Excel chapter 1, I have created very nice videos for you that you will be able to access them. My goal during first chapter is to make sure, first session, is to make sure you know what Big Blue Button is and you know how to utilize it. And maybe your other teachers use that in your other classrooms. We will try to train your instructors to use this big blue button, and we encourage them to use that way. You have a sense that you are still in the same live classroom. And let me assure you that if things are set up correctly, you will learn more. Let me definitely, at least I know that in my computer class, you will learn more. That when we are using the tools, the proper technology tools, and we will try to help you. For now, I will try to reach the students one by one and make sure that they can log in and to come to the site. And if we manage it, if I manage to get everybody on board, maybe tomorrow at 12:30, when our Monday class meets, we come to this site. Of course, this is for Monday class. I am teaching another section Monday, in addition to Monday, Wednesday, which is called the Tuesday class. The Tuesday class is on Tuesdays from 2 to 3:15, and also I am teaching another class at night, which is called Tuesday night class. That class is on Tuesday from 5 to 7:45. Therefore, I will use this video for all my 3 classes to make sure they see this video and they get familiar, excuse me, with Big Blue Button. Therefore, I am going to log off and post this video for you to watch, and then I want you to go and click on the Big Blue Button, the link that you see. Of course, if I am not on the site, you won't see me, but at least you can click there and see if your microphone is working and see your name on the left side, and even you can see if you can see your own video, as I can see mine right in here. You will see yours in here. And also, if you are in the class, not only you can see my video, I can see your video, assuming you have a webcam. If you don't have a webcam, nothing to be worried. We will know that some students might not have. We will work with you to make sure that you are learning as much as possible. And now I am going to post this video and hope you are watching. Hope you watch it, and then we will continue.